Oh, Karibu.
Mama Naj.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Here are your bananas.
Are they good?
Very, very good. But oh, Karibu, you are always buying bananas. Have you updated yourself? Like you updated your stomach?
Myself.
Hey.
Mama Naj.
Look at this.
My balance.
Your balance. Mama Naj to give you the balance. That is a criminal.
You can register as a voter or check.
Rukia, did you hear?
What?
Vote update is happening. If you don't register, who will vote for your honorable? Trusted.
Zara, did you send that report?
I forwarded your email this morning.
Peter, can you imagine? I just verified my voter's details online. I just verified my voter's details online, and it's as easy as sending a WhatsApp message.
Really? Online?
Yes.
Show me.
Uganda, your vote is your voice, and every voice matters. From 20th January to 10th February 2025, you can register as a voter or check to update your voter details. Visit our update center within your parish. Call 0800-200-071 or visit www.ec.or.ug today. This message is brought to you by the Electoral Commission of Uganda.
Okay, we are here today launching intellectual property guidelines for ICT innovations in Uganda. As you know, the Minister of ICT and National Guidance is responsible for formulating and implementing policies that ensure that the ICT sector grows. But at the core of that is to have innovations and creations that support the economy in all sectors. So we are happy that today we are launching and disseminating these guidelines which are part of the mechanisms to protect innovators for ICT solutions, hardware, software, and even applications, because a lot of these have been under threat of piracy, reproducing illegal distribution and things like that. So the guidelines are further to the existing extensive legal framework in Uganda, but also regionally and globally, because some of our Ugandan innovators are actually exporting their innovations in parts of East Africa, in Africa, and the rest of the world. So we are happy to have Minister of Justice, URSP, we have KTA among the legal firms involved. It's been a long process, so we are happy to finally come up with these guidelines. They are going to greatly support Ugandan young innovators so that we commercialize their innovations, so they earn from them, so we create even more jobs. As we know, Uganda is a young country. Over 80% of our population is aged below 30. So, and a lot of these are involved in the innovations in the ICT ecosystem. The guidelines are going to protect them. So they take their innovations to the market, so they earn from them, so they create more jobs for themselves, but so that these innovations also power other key sectors of the economy, whether energy, agriculture, education, healthcare. But bottom line, we want to see that their innovations are protected because they are their intellectual property sustainably for now and for the future. And therefore, we should be able to attract more investment because Uganda is a highly viable country for investment. And the ICT is a critical sector. Like we said, it's one of the fastest growing. And we are happy, as you know, His Excellency the President has flagged it among the 4 core pillars for transformation, but also for wealth creation. So this is a big day for us. A long way as Uganda in ICT ratings. This very place where we are standing is the National ICT Innovation Center. It's being used by a lot of young people. They have done amazing things. E-government services, the EGP that you hear about, the online passports, the online business registration. We've migrated a lot of government services online. But that said, we still have work to do, and that's why we are seeking to protect innovations so that we do even more. We are selling innovations outside of Uganda, in East Africa, in Africa, and parts of the rest of the world. So our ratings are good, the policy framework is excellent, and the outlook is really inspiring, and that's why today we are so happy that we are launching guidelines that will further strengthen and improve our ratings in the region, but also across the world. Guidelines oba emitendera egenda okukuuma abayiiya ebya tekinologiya mu Uganda. Tulina amateeka tulina agamala, naye tubadde tulaba nti twetaaga okugatta ku details ku mateeka ago, n'olwekyo olwaleero tuze ne guidelines empya ezigenda okuwa amaanyi amateeka ge tulina okulaba nti abayiiyiza mu area ya tekinologiya baganyulwa ebiyiiyiza byabwe bireme okubbibwa. Lwakuba mu Uganda oluusi tubeera n'obuzibu, omuntu ekintu si kikye naye neefuula nti enanyini kyo, ne babitunda ne babikyusiza okubisiba ne beefuula nti byabwe. Kati tugenze wala mu tekinologiya kati ng'ekifo kino kye tulimu ye National Innovation Hub eya Uganda, ate tulina n'endala, tulina Kabale, tulina Soroti, tulina Gulu, tulina ne West Nile. Lwakuba okuyiiyiza tekubeera wano Kampala wokka. Kyova olaba nti ministry yaffe, ministry ya ICT ne National Guidance ekolagana nnyo ne universities okulaba nti abayiiyiza baffe naddala abavubuka bafune obuyambi ne we basobola okukolera offices nga zino omuli computer ne internet. Lwakuba oluusi abamu tebabeera na busobozi. Kati innovation center eno yaabwe y'abantu banna Uganda, y'abavubuka bajje wano tubawe support, tukole omulimu gwe tuganyulamu ffenna. Olaba tulina wano mikwano gyaffe kuva Japan, tukoze nabo. Lwakuba Japan nga bwe mukimanyi egenze wala mu area ya tekinologiya, tukolaganye nabo. JICA ye kitongole kya gavumenti ekikolagana n'amawanga amalala mu area ya tekinologiya ne